Here we are. We've made it. It's the end of 2020, and it's time to look at the year. Now, I know what you're thinking. Let's not. Let's just erase everything we've seen. Yep, that's better. But hidden amongst the seen was the unseen, and that stuff is worth a look. But to see it, you need the right filter. I've got one here. Faith. Here's how faith works. Our eyes reveal the seen, but our faith reveals the unseen. Beautiful, unseen acts done with love and kindness. Movement family, I'm talking about you and what you did this year. Come here, let me show you something. I watched the pandemic turn our world upside down, causing increased workloads and anxiety for the mortgage industry. But faith revealed how you adapted and overcame, teaching school, caring for others, and working long hours to support your team. I watched deep-rooted racial injustice crash through the surface of society. But faith revealed how you were fast to the fight, helping families grab the key to home ownership and close the wealth gap in America. I watched families in our community struggle through furloughs and business closures, but faith revealed how you loved and valued people, treating every number in your pipeline like the name of the family it represents. I watched the sins of greed, pride, and injustice take profits out of vulnerable communities. But faith revealed how you do more than mortgages, building schools to educate children, impacting generations to come. 2020 took so much from the world around us. But by faith and grit, we made it our biggest year in movement history. So celebrate what you saw, what you did, and who you helped. But also celebrate you. I know this can be the hardest thing to do. It's not easy to look at ourselves. We don't always like what we see, but God does. He says you were fearfully and wonderfully made. So close your eyes, open your faith, see what He sees, unseen wonder around you and within you. Look for it. I promise you'll be astounded at the unseen.